Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have, of course, Windows 11 22H2 that now has this update for the bug fixing updates for the month of July. Yesterday, July the 25th was Windows 10 22H2 and Windows 11 21H2. Now it's Windows 11 22H2's turn. So if you go and check out, you'll have an optional update in the Windows updates. And if you look at my update history, because I installed it, it is the update of Windows 11 KB5028254. There was also a update preview.net framework. Once again, for my machine, only one install and one restart, not multiple, so it's kind of interesting. So this is, of course, the update preview that fixes many bugs. Some of them are the Windows notification platform issue that can affect the power of your device uses. There's another one with push notifications. There's an update for biometrics problems. If I look at any other thing, Windows management instrumentation problems. Printer update that affects user mode printer drivers that they unload unexpectedly and occurs when you print from multiple print queues on the same printer driver. So some kind of weird problem here. Any other thing that is noted here, looking at what's happening, there's a Windows Defender application control issues. A lot of them are shared from actually the Windows 10 and Windows 11 21H2 here. Looking at anything else that would be of particular interest, of course, it fixes the VPN issue that every version of Windows had. Fix an issue where it affects widgets, the unpin from taskbar when you do not expect it. There's also, of course, the display and audio devices that could be missing when your system resumes from sleep. And brightness settings, more accurate apparently on this version. So when you play with the brightness settings, apparently that will be a little more accurate than before. So that's pretty much it. And there's a lot of course, the list is pretty long of fixes. So if you had issues, you can check it out and update your system. Of course, these, if you don't look at the updates at all, will stay there and only install when Patch Tuesday arrives in August, so you don't have to install them now if you don't want to. If you got issues, well, maybe this could fix the problem. But they are now available on Windows 11 22H2. If you look at your Windows version on Windows 11 22H2 with the WinVer command, you should now be at 22621.2070. 22621.2070 is what the latest update is all about. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.